I am in Cologne with my student Ms. Manya Dhameja, who completed her student colleague. Are we allowed to do our bachelor's in any universities after completing student colleague Paderborn?
You can apply to all the universities in Germany. Yeah, that's what I like most about Amritpala Vision. It's not just like a formal relationship, but it's like more personal, and they help you like a family, I would say, which is really nice. And I never met them in Ahmedabad. I only talked to you guys on the call, but I still felt like even my family, everybody thought that they're like really genuine and supportive, and we just, I just trusted you.
Hello everyone, this is me Amanpreet, co-founder of Amritpala Vision, and I am in Cologne with my student Ms. Manya Dhameja, who completed her student colleague with student colleague Paderborn. And let us ask her experience with Paderborn. And most of the students are asking me the question that are we allowed to do our bachelor's in any universities after completing student colleague Paderborn?
So my experience in student colleague Paderborn was really good, and the one reason that I chose student colleague Paderborn was that there is no requirement for giving the Aufnahmeprüfung, which is like entrance test, and especially for people coming from commerce background without math, I think it's really important, because if you go with public student colleagues, the math there is like quite heavy, and they don't give you preliminary courses usually. But if you go with student colleague Paderborn, there's like preliminary courses for you to prepare math first, and then study it like in the entire duration, and then give the exams, so which is really helpful, I think.
All right.
And as for the universities, you can apply to all the universities in Germany after completing your student colleague from Paderborn.
So since you completed your 12th from India, and there we don't have mathematics, right? So how did you cope up with the student colleague Paderborn mathematics syllabus here?
I personally had maths till 12th grade, even in commerce, but a lot of students in my class who were also from India didn't have maths. But the maths in student colleague Paderborn in WAY course is not that heavy, and if you struggle with it because you didn't have math in 12th, they always offer like preparatory courses for you to join, which is I think really helpful for you to like come up on the same level as the other students in math especially.
And what kind of German language the students need to have before they are coming even for the student colleague Paderborn?
I think it's like I did my B1 in India before coming to Germany, and I think it's really important to do at least till B1 before you decide to enroll in a student colleague in Germany, because it's like important if you do the higher levels of German here in Germany itself, because then you can like talk to German people, and you can immerse yourself in a German speaking environment, which is more helpful, I think.
That's great.
Yeah.
So even you can watch a video of Manya with student colleague Paderborn when Amritpal was already there. So with that also you can get a brief information. So this video particularly was an information session that after completing student colleague Paderborn, where is she right now studying in, and so how we did the application for the bachelor's.
I think Amritpala Vision were really supportive in doing the applications, especially because I had like so many universities that I wanted to apply to. So I think they did like more than 20-25 applications, which is a lot, I think. And they were like really supportive throughout the admission application process. And I got into most of the universities as well, which is really nice. And that's why like I finally decided to pursue management, economics and social sciences at the University of Cologne.
That's great.
Yeah.
So Manya, most important thing is when we complete our FSP, so then how the student should select the program maybe, or the university or the city. So what tips you will be giving to the students there?
I, for one, were like really confused about what to go, what to study, where to go. So I kept in mind like 4 criteria points, which were course, university, language, and the city. And I think the course is really important, especially in Germany, because universities in general are like, all of them are like pretty good. But it's really important for you to decide which language you want to study in and what do you want to study exactly.
So any tips to the students who are particularly watching this video?
Like if you want to do WACOS in Student College in Germany, or if you want to study bachelor's in business or related fields, I would suggest that TESTAS and good scores in 12th grade, especially like in business subjects, is important. And if you can study like maths till 12th, that would be really great. If not, then I would suggest like take some preparatory courses so that it's easier for you to like settle in and like score good here in Student College.
So, आपने last time देखा होगा, you might have seen my last video in Student College Paderborn in 2023. Manya was there, we were there. Manya came through Amrit Palo Vision. She is a student from Delhi, never came to Ahmedabad, never contacted us and visited personally in Ahmedabad office, only on a phone call. She came here and we were there in Paderborn. You might have seen last year's video of her. And Manya, how was your experience? Like, we at least, like, we never met in India, but we already met here in Germany for 2 times, right? So how was your experience? Have you ever seen any mentor of other student coming to the Paderborn Student College or anywhere in the university? Right now you are in Cologne. So how was your experience?
Yeah, that's what I like most about Amrit Pala Vision. It's not just like a formal relationship, you know, but it's like more personal, and they help you like a family, I would say, which is really nice. And I never met them in Ahmedabad. I only talked to you guys on the call, but I still felt like even my family, everybody thought that they're like really genuine and supportive, and we just, you know, like I just trusted you. Even in Paderborn, when we met for the first time, it was like really nice meeting Amrit sir and now Amanpreet ma'am. And I really appreciate that they put so much effort into like meeting the students personally and, you know, talking to them, staying in touch with them, which like normal consultants usually don't do. So I really appreciate that. Thank you.
This is not the end. Once she will be into her 4 semesters, there will be the internships, right? So I still remember we had a call with Manya late nights in India at 12 o'clock in the night, 11 o'clock in the night, and we were discussing which universities are good. Like this course is good because she got into all the universities. We applied for 20 universities. She had an offer letter for 20 universities. But the problem was which university to select. We were in contact. I was specially in contact with her. And this is not the end. We will select the internship. She has a semester abroad. Now she was discussing with us, go to Dublin or UK or to go to Spain. So this is not the end. This is where we start. So we always tell our students, visa is not the end. Germany is the start, because in Germany you have lots of other things to discuss with the students. So guys, if you're looking to study in Germany, you can always contact Amrit Palo Vision. Manya, thank you once
so
again.
much, sir.
All the best for your future.